5 marketing books that changed my business forever and made me a millionaire. These are my personal favorite books which I've not shared with anybody. So stay tuned, enjoy my top 5 marketing books. Before we go and understand what are my top 5 marketing books, let's understand. Most of the businesses, they go out of business because they don't have revenue. Why they don't have revenue? Because they don't have leads. Why they don't have leads? Because their marketing sucks. And I don't want you to be one of those people whose marketing really sucks and you really struggle for business. I took my business from zero income to 1 crore first year, second year 2.5 crores, to third year 16 crores. And the big chunk of time, money and effort I spent where? Marketing. But are there marketing courses? Are there marketing gurus that you should listen to, follow? Which are those gurus? Which are the books that you really need to learn and understand that can change your business? I'm going to share my top 5 marketing books which I studied when I was starting my journey as an entrepreneur, and you can use those books for your advantage. So let's get right into this. Number 1, oversubscribe. This is the book by Daniel Priestley. He's one of the Australian entrepreneur, and his book, Oversubscribe, gave me some phenomenal ideas about how I can build my business and grow my business. I'll just give you one random example. When I was running my first campaign, Passionpreneur Mastermind, in the year 2018, I was following his method and his techniques to create post and engagement on social media, which get me so many people. And within 2.5 months, I generated about 33 lakhs in my business with 0 ads. I repeat, 0 ads. And you can do that as well. So Oversubscribe is a phenomenal book, how you can get more people to sign up for your program, your product, your services than what you really need. Number 2, crush it and crushing it. You see, when I was starting my journey, I had no idea about what the marketing is. No, when you say, right, bachcha jo chalna seekhta hai, crawling and then walking. I learned it from Gadhvi, because this guy's monster. This guy's master of content creation, distribution, and hustle. I just modeled him. So pick up all his books about content marketing, because that is the best form of marketing, right? Crush it, crushing it. Great books. Thank You Economy. Yes, if you want, you can read it. But Crush It and Crushing It, these 2 books are phenomenal. Okay, so pick up this book. Create a lot of content, become omnipresent, it will change your life. Next, this is Marketing by Seth Godin. You see, Seth Godin is like a god of marketing. He has been around for so many years and he's so genius. Whether this book or any other book, like all marketers are liars. I'm going to give you some bonuses, right? All the marketer liars and Linchpin. These are some amazing books. Just usko na ghol ke pilo, nichod ke pilo. These are the marketing gurus that will change your life, and I love marketing and his stuff. Okay, go ahead and do that. Next book is called Contagious. The author is Jonah Berger or Berger. I don't know how you pronounce the name, but I love this book called Contagious, because you know what? There is something called virality. There's something called growth hacking. You cannot grow your business if you're just growing by step by step. Linear growth is gone. You need to have quantum leaps. In order to understand the quantum leaps, you need to understand the science behind how viral posts become viral. Like, this is the book which I love when it comes to viral marketing. Of course, I'm not got like a viral thing, but the techniques which I've used is really helped me to blast out my message and get more people to know me. Right? So go ahead and read that book. Next, last one, Jay Abraham. This is one of those genius marketer who has been in the industry for so many years and worked with billions of dollar companies. Read his books, whether it is Mastermind Marketing, whether it's 93 Referral Systems. There are a few books that he has produced. Go ahead and read all those books, because this guy comes with loads of experience. These are my secrets. These are my Brahmastra. These are my secret weapons when it comes to marketing. Revisit those books few times so truly you understand the crux of marketing, right? This is Dave Gadhvi signing off today, and excuse me, I'm shooting this video from my home because I did not want to disappoint all my followers who wait eagerly for my videos every week. So please do like, please comment if you found this information valuable, because I have not shared this with anybody except for my paid mentees. If you found this valuable, put it in chat box. What is it that you loved about this video, or anything that you want to hear more? This is Dave Gadhvi. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless you.